Serving amounts are easily changed. Just check the web page for correct ingredient measurements. Here are the ingredients for Moorish Chopped Salad. You'll need lemon juice, garlic clove, olive oil, tomato, cucumber, red onion, cilantro, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, Italian parsley, yogurt, red pepper flakes, salt, and black pepper. Okay, first let's mash the garlic clove into a paste. You do this by chopping up the garlic clove into little pieces and then dragging the edge of the knife flat against it. Seed the tomato by cutting it in half and squeezing out the seeds, then chop it up. Peel, seed, quarter, and then chop the cucumber into little pieces. Dice the red onion into little squares. Seed and dice the bell peppers. Mince the cilantro and the Italian parsley. Now, in a salad bowl, pour 2/3 of the lemon juice, the mashed garlic, and the olive oil, and whisk them together well. Then add the tomatoes, the cucumber, the red onion, the bell peppers, the cilantro, and the Italian parsley. Season it with salt and pepper to taste and toss it. In a separate bowl, add the yogurt and the remaining lemon juice and whisk it together. Then drizzle this yogurt mixture over the top of the salad and toss it up. Garnish with red pepper flakes to taste, and you're ready to serve a salad that's perfectly cool with a glass of white wine on a hot summer's night. Moorish salad from simplefoodie.com.